So I think one of the great successes that we can take from the PRECISE trial is the investigators across many ICUs across multiple countries were very successful at achieving protein and calorie goal deliveries in these quite sick, critically ill, mechanically ventilated patients. And so I think what it demonstrates in modern practice, all of us should feel confident and strive to achieve the same goals. That we should, within 3 to 5 days, be meeting our patients' calorie targets and protein targets, and that this should be achieved successfully. It was clearly done with great success in this trial across many hospitals and ICUs, which means there's no reason all of you out there in your ICUs shouldn't also be achieving your goal calories and protein by day 3 to 5. And so I think this just reaffirms that using the modern formulas that exist, that have really wonderful ranges of balances of protein to non-protein calorie ratios, you can achieve successfully these goals of 1.3 to 1.5 grams per kilo with a reasonable non-protein calorie intake that's not overfeeding and not underfeeding. You can achieve that successfully. The formulas exist, the formulas are tolerated by our patients, and there's no reason we shouldn't be getting our patients to goal enteral feeding within really 3 or 4 days, because this study showed across many ICUs and sick patients, this can be done and the formulas allowed for it.
I think we used very well tolerated enteral feeding products. And I think we used 2 different products only to have a difference in protein intake and not in caloric intake, in energy intake. And in our institution, I think we have almost 10% of all the patients included in the trial. We found a very high tolerability. So in both arms, the safety of the products was very well. The tolerability was very well. As you also can see that we reached the protein and energy targets in the majority of the patients. We went to the targets we estimated to go for. So that means that it's possible by using these products to go to these targets and to achieve the targets. Because there is a big difference between prescribed targets and targets achieved. So I think the performance of nutrition was very well with these products.